Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Tanya and we're going to be diving into your human design. So this new series, Experiencing Your Human Design, discover your blueprint and transform your life with human design. If you have not yet got your human design chart, make sure you pop over to my website where you can download yours for free so you can follow along. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the sessions in this upcoming series. Let's dive into what makes a manifestor so unique within the human design system. Manifestors are true initiators. You are here to spark movement, to set things in motion, and to light the match that gets everyone else going. You don't wait for permission. You don't need an invitation. When a creative urge bubbles up from inside you, it's like a fire that needs to be released. And when you act on it, magic happens. Manifestors only make up about 8% of the population, but your impact is massive. You have the potential to influence and lead in bold and unapologetic ways. But with that power comes a responsibility to use it consciously. Your energy works in bursts, so when inspiration hits, you might feel this urge to go all in. But once that energy is spent, rest is a non-negotiable. It's not laziness, it's your natural rhythm. Honor the downtime as much as the action. It's all part of your cycle. Now, manifestor energy can sometimes be misunderstood. People might see you as closed off, intense, or hard to read. But that's not a flaw. Your aura naturally creates a kind of buffer. It's protective. It gives you the space that you need to channel your creative force without interference. And that's really important because when you're interrupted or blocked, it can trigger your not self theme, which is anger. That flash of frustration is your signal something is off. You've been taken out of your flow. But when you're aligned, when you're free to follow your inner fire, the feeling you're aiming for is peace. That's your signature. That's when you know you're on track. Your strategy as a manifestor is simple but powerful. Inform. Let people know what you're doing before you act. You don't need permission, but keeping others in the loop helps reduce resistance. It smooths the path ahead and brings more harmony into your relationships and your environment. In work and life, manifestors thrive when they have freedom. You're not built for micromanagement or rigid schedules. You're a visionary, a pioneer. Roles that let you lead, innovate, and act on your instincts are where you shine. Think entrepreneur, creative director, campaign starter, anything where you're the one initiating the spark. In relationships, you need space, not distance, but respect for your independence. People who understand your energetic rhythms, your bursts, and your need to withdraw, those people are the ones who'll support you the best. Deconditioning for manifestors often means unlearning what the world has tried to make you believe. That you need permission, that you should tone it down, that you must wait to be asked. None of that is true for you. Your power lies in trusting those inner urges and following them, while also communicating with those around you so they can understand your process. That's what clears the resistance. That's what brings peace. So if you're a manifestor, your goal isn't to be consistently productive. It's to live in alignment with your own rhythm, to honor your cycle, to act when the spark hits you and rest when it fades. That's when your true power emerges. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I'm Tanya from My Sacred Circuitry. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe so you don't miss out on the next episodes. Thanks very much, guys.